you, Darshan, and please join me to give him a round of applause for being a wonderful MC. What a great honor and pleasure to be with my honorable principal, my classmates, my professors, and families of my classmates, more importantly, my friends. When I look 25 years ago and imagine the world at that time, we never imagined, and I can tell you, none of you imagined that we will be sitting in this auditorium together as friends, as classmates. And you know, the credit goes to the core team, and please join me to give them a wonderful round of applause for putting this successful event together. And it would not be successful if all of you, along with the families, would have participated. So I salute you that you have all come from around the world to make this a total success. When it comes to my life, like when I look at 25 years, you know, life goes fast. And it is the tools and the resources that I gathered from my classmates and more importantly, from my professors. Those are the ones that have made me a better engineer and a better politician. So I salute to you, principal, and my professors. Because without you and your guidance and your hard work and dedication, we would not be where all of us, along with families today, are very proud to be serving the humanity and the universe in different countries. Engineers, I was reading an article, engineers battle against uncertainty. We operate under constraints, and we got to deliver a product or a service in a very timely and in a very competitive and in a very professional manner. And I can tell you, those tools we have also learned here as well, because word comes to us for those qualities. And when it comes to competitiveness, there was no such thing here, because we weren't competitive at that time, but I can tell you, but we were timely. Even if, and you know, professors were writing exams and they cyclostyle and they will throw the carbon copy in the garbage bin, and then we bring it out, and we, in a timely fashion, we had to solve that to make sure that when we go to the class and it's all done wonderfully. And I mean, this is not politics. I mean, politics is this, I can tell you. When I am successful, you know, I look at the organization skills. I'm sure Bali is sitting here somewhere. He knows, because he's the one who helped me organizing my database when I became successful. Those organization tools, I also tell you that we learned here. And without saying the name, one of my colleagues, you know, it took some efforts to organize, even ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਨਕਲ ਮਾਰਦੇ ਸੀ, ਛੋਟੀਆਂ ਪਰਚੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਬਣਾਉਣੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਰੱਖਣੀਆਂ। ਇੱਕ colleague ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੇਰਾ friend ਹੈਗਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ almost every week ਜਿਹੜਾ in touch ਰਹਿਣਾ, ਇੰਡੀਆ 'ਚ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਤਾਂ ਸੋਚ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ ਸੀ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਕਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਪਰਚੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਸਕਦੇ। ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸਰ ਬੇਦੀ ਸੀਗੇ, ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ I'm going to short list, but I won't name। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਪਰਚੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸੀ ਐਂ ਕੱਢੀ, ਇੰਨੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਲੰਬੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੜੇ ਹੈਰਾਨ ਹੋਏ ਵੀ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੂਜੀ ਪਰਚੀ ਕੱਢੀ, ਫਿਰ ਸੇਮ ਉਹਦੀ ਹੋਈ ਕਾਪੀ। ਦੇਖੋ ਵੀ ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਐਫਰਟਸ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ। But I can tell you those organization tools are the ones that help many of us to be successful. No, more importantly, I would go into, in fact, you know, when we look at the innovation, you know, Professor Malvinderji Singh is sitting here. I mean, humanity, economics, all those fields are related to engineering, and where we learn those is right here. know, I got into politics. Professor D.S. Sen, you must be thinking, thank goodness, you know, there is a room in politics for bad engineers. And not true, certainly. I can tell you, you know, the tools, I mean, I have Professor Chahal, Rajput, and Professor R.P. Singh, now principal. When they're sitting here, it's not a bad engineer. In fact, they produced a fine engineer. You know, when I went to Canada, you know, I'm very proud that I was very successful. That Jigwant gaya, and I'm going to shortlist another fellow. Jigwant gaya, मैंने कहता है जो professional engineer का ले लिया license, मैंने कहता है इतने शोले दे के लिया था, मैं कहा इतने शोले दे के नहीं मिलता. This is in fact जो principal साहब बस साहब कहूँगा मैं तानू ताड़ियाँ जिहड़ियां efforts सीगियां तुसीं बड़ी मेहनत की साडे ते सानू एक बढ़िया जिहड़े सी ओ इंजीनियर बना के इत्थों कल्लिया ਉਹਦੇ ਕਾਰਨ ਹੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਇੱਥੇ successful ਹੈਗੇ. And one thing I can tell you, few things have changed since we moved out of this. You know, some of us have grown few gray hair, and some of us have put a few pounds of weight. But I can tell you one thing has not changed. That is a spirit of hard work and family values, and also helping each other. And when it comes to family, you know, 3 generations of women are the ones that played a key role in my life. First was my mom, that made me a proud son, and also it was her efforts that I became an engineer, because she was the one who inspired me and always pushed me. And Mr. Sani can witness that she was always here to make sure that I do participate and I do study to become an engineer. The second generation of women is, if I'm standing here today as a member of parliament, it would not be possible if it wasn't my wife. Her efforts, day in, day out, the efforts that she put it in, and she made me a proud husband. And now comes the third generation, is my daughters. You know, when I wanted to get into politics, the first, because media always speaks against political people. My daughters were very young, and they said, Dad, we want to buy and have 2 dogs. मैं क्या पंजाबी में कहनी है, Dad ਅਸੀਂ 2 कुत्ते लेने. मैं क्या जी भी क्यों लेने बेटे? वो कहते भी 2 होस्ट ने, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਭੌਂਕਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ. ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਕੁੱਤੇ ਦਾ ਆ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਨਾਮ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ. ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਬੇਟੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਬੇਟੀਓ this is a challenge we got to face. I know you are born here, you don't understand the circumstances that we were grown in, and we are successful. One reason is because it's a tolerance, right? And we came to practice that tolerance here as well. So, so I would ask everyone, because when I see around this room, we have our, you know, spouses here, and wives and daughters. So please join me, and mothers as well. Give those 3 generations of women a round of applause for making us successful persons as well as engineers. So, मैं आज बहुत कुछ नहीं कहना. But I certainly would like to say one thing is that I'm very proud to be Janukanian, and I have done the best to keep those people in my circle. In fact, when I wasn't even a political person, I formed a society of Punjabi engineers and technologists at my house. And it started with 3 or 4 people. Today, there are hundreds of them, and the principal R.P. Singh has gone there a few times to the functions organized by those associations. They are helping other engineers. And let me come out of this function and make sure that we get together in the next 5 or 10 years. Because now it is the time that our hopes and desires should not be any more focused than our children, and I can see many of those are here, and we can all work together to play a key role, because we are one extended family to bring not only us into the successful world, but also our families. मैं बहुता नहीं कहना, इन्ना कहता होया मैं फिर एक बार सारे ही ऑर्गेनाइजर्स का और तुहाडा सारिਆਂ ਦਾ तहे दिलों शुक्रगुजार करदा कि तुसी सारे इत्थे चल के आए। जिहड़ा है इस फंक्शन जिहड़ा है साडे 25वीं जुबली सैलीब्रेशन हैगी है उसनूं तुसी सक्सैसफुल बनाया। इन्ना ही कहंदा होया फिर धन्नवाद तुहाडा सारिਆਂ ਦਾ। सलाम, आदाब, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल।